Happy Sunday. I've had the last 10 days off work and the scaries are kicking in today. So the scaries actually kicked in probably Friday night. So I started thinking about it then, but about to go fill up my car. Grab a coffee as well. Coffee one day, like I used to just drink it just to drink it, but one day it just started tasting so good, like similar to beer. I used to just drink it just to drink it, and it just started tasting good one day. You know, I just haven't been able to look back since. For coffee that's made in a can, oh, not made in a can, but that comes from a can, it's actually pretty good coffee. It's got a nice long black one, but like it actually doesn't taste like it should be from a can. It's cool. What are these? Oh, maybe they have Senegal.
Huh?
Maybe they have Senegal.
Yeah,
No? Oh yeah, it does.
original.
Get the original one.
Yeah. Two?
Yeah. Should make that tomorrow.
Yeah. With the pork.
Yeah. Maddie and I went to this grocery store. It's actually Let's Go, not Let's Go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
L.
Let's Go. Horse crackling.
Steamed cake banana. So it's like a steamed cake and then it's got like banana like filling in it.
Banana cakes, banana snacks. Like banana chips. Strawberry mochi. Strawberry candy. This is the lychee gummy candy.
Cheers. Actually, what you think it would be?
Strawberry mochi.
Doesn't really taste like anything.
No, it doesn't. Cheers.
What does it really look like?
It's like a mix of like a rice cracker.
Yeah.
Like the banana ones.
Like we like banana bread.
Yeah, for 5 days.
It's pretty fucking hot.
Oh my god.
Like 30. Ooh. Yum. Rice. And then my soup's being heated up. Nice. It's actually like huge. Oh my.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, nice and relaxed. Big breath in. Breath all the way out. Just let your shoulders relax for me. Good. Take you this way. That's it. Good. Good. Just let your belly roll. That's it. Be heavy. One more time for me. Just let it drop. Gee, that's tight. Relax. A little bit more than the drop. That's it. Relax for me. That's it.